Hello everyone, once again welcome to my channel. Today I am going to discuss about the subsystems of electrical system. Generally there are many people they don't know what are the electrical systems are using in real life. So in this video I am explaining you about those systems. If you see here I mentioned some of sub electrical systems. First one is the power and the lighting, central battery and UPS. This is earthing and lightning protection, the BMS, fire alarm, CCTV, IPTV, telephone and data, audio visual. So now we are discussing about the power system and lighting system. So any load like inductive load and resistive load, it will works when the power supply is given. Inductive loads are motors and pumps. Resistive loads are lightings. Reason behind the dividing these two loads into separate system to avoid the confusion and making complicated. The power and lighting loads are separated. So the power system and lighting system separate means the power load which is connected to the power distribution board and having a C type of breaker, and the lighting load which are connected to the lighting distribution board and having a B type of breaker, but the main income is only coming from the main distribution board. And power load having a socket, AHU, FCU, pumps, lift, elevator, the control panel input, and the AC. Lighting load means facial lighting, indoor outdoor lighting, street lighting, decorative lighting. These are the lighting load. So next one is a central battery system. Central battery system is a emergency system. It supplies backup power to the emergency and exit light. So no need of have a separate battery inside the emergency light and exit light. The central battery supplies backup source to the emergency lighting. Next one is a fire alarm system. Fire alarm system means when the fire happen inside the building, this fire alarm system is designed to give the alarm to us, then we can protect ourselves. And this alarm activated by the smoke detector and heat detector, and also we can activate the alarm by using the manual pull station. Next one is a UPS system. UPS system is an emergency system for the power, and the central battery system, it is an emergency system for the lighting. This is the lighting and this one is a power. UPS system already I discussed in the previous video. If you did not watch this video, I mentioned the link in the description. Please check out that video and you will understand what is the UPS system. So I am not going to explain about the UPS system here. Please watch that video. Next one is earthing and lightning protection. Earthing system is provide earthing to the mechanical electrical equipment. It protect from the shock if any leakage currents are there. Lighting protection is protect the large structure from the damage from the lightning. This system allows lightning strikes to travel from top to ground and it control the damages. CCTV means closed circuit television is a network having cameras and recording equipment linked together. It is a protective and secure way to monitor the rooms and buildings, and it works independently. So what are the system I discussed now, like lighting system, central battery and fire alarm and others? These all systems should be installed in airports, malls, metros and industries and buildings. Okay, this all system is a very important and having a unique role. If you go to the mall and airports, you can find these all systems. So I hope everyone understand this system. Whoever new for this industry, this video will help them. If you guys like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for the more upcoming videos.